afternoon. I'm Peter Yung, Marketing and Promotions Manager for Infiniteserv International Corporation, distributor of Motul lubricants in the Philippines. And we would like to welcome you to the first Shfting Gears Track Day powered by Motul.
From Shft Distribution Hub, we are now in the first ever Shfting Gears Track Day. We would like to invite you to try our product. We are now available in markets nationwide.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go,
Hi
go,
guys,
go.
I'm Jonathan, CEO of Bumper Carshow. We'd like to congratulate everyone who came here at Shfting Gears, back-to-back with Bumper 7 Carshow Pampanga. And we are inviting everyone once more for the Bumper Carshow Road Tour. It's powered by Motul Motor Oils by Infiniteserv. We'll be having Bumper Carshow Road Tour all over the Philippines. So guys, always remember, keep the faith and keep the fight. Thank you.
Can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. Where the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.